Hello, you can see my Outlook is working offline. So many people are being really disturbed with this scenario, but remember what we can see here is really easy to solve. Just simply click on send and receive, and then from here, from this tab, you will get an option called work offline. So it's been already selected. Now you need to deselect or unselect this one. Then this option will be resolved, and you will be able to get or send your message or email to others. So let's see. Just simply click on work offline and then see it has been vanished. So here is a send receive error. It has another issue that I will solve in future or another day. Why is it happening? I will show you again. So if you have solved the issue, just let me know. And if there is any other issues regarding Outlook, don't forget to let me know again. Thank you.